Hello, digging in the dark because it's that time of the year, running out of daylight, no time. Ground's going to freeze eventually. So it's a race against the clock. This will probably be crappy video, but we'll give it a whirl. Adios for now. Time lapse, maybe.
Got real dark and real cold and battery died on my phone, so that section seemed extra difficult. I don't know if it was or because I couldn't see or the ground's partially frozen or something. Seemed like there was a lot of roots, but there's no trees anywhere near there, so I'm done for tonight. I know there is one giant root that I have to look at in the daylight, I guess, and see what kind of progress I made tomorrow sometime, or maybe Saturday. I don't know. It's Thursday today.
Hello, and welcome back to Extreme Trenching. Just kidding. So last video, if it turned out, was digging in the dirt. So this is what we got. Not too horrible, but there's definitely cleanup to do. The other thing I wanted to point out is that this, where are we? There we are. This black line here, it's like really hard getting through the ground above that. And then whatever that is, once you get there, then it becomes easier to dig at least, not to lift because it seems heavier also. Like a wet clay or something. So we're going to take down get the caution tape out of the way, and we're going to clean up this section and maybe do the next section. See how far we get. So I don't know if I said already, but nice beautiful Saturday morning in the fall. I think we're way past peak foliage now, but that's how much more we got to do. I also think I'm going to put the time lapse at the far end, so we're coming towards you and closer to completion. Freaking roots, man. Killing me. For some reason, there's a bunch here, and there's no trees anywhere near here. Way over there, way over there, way back there. So, there's one big root here. There. I went under that one because it was a pain in the butt. So, I think it's long enough now that we could do our next section. But I think after lunch I'm going to keep digging and try to do 2 sections today maybe. Because, it's so much fun. Part 2 after lunch. Feels like it cooled down, or maybe because I'm not digging. So we're going to try to do another 10-foot section today. And back to time lapse. That is not a straight trench, but oh well, doesn't matter. Pipe is flexible. So it was a lot of work. Um, I'm going to glue these two new sections on and call it a day. So I guess one more time lapse in a few. Time lapse. Hello, look at my ears glow.